Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we know that, this is frustrating for a lot of people. It is for me too. And there are a lot of posts on Reddit, posts on, of course, the Feedback Hub about the, continuous rollout release or whatever it's called, the continuous feature release. This is the name that they give to, well, why you have or don't have the new start menu, for example. It's in a state of continuous feature release, and you have no idea when it's going to arrive. You have no idea why it's not there on your PC. And some users have said that after contacting support, it seems that even Microsoft isn't even sure why sometimes it's not on your PC. So this is actually enraging and making more and more users frustrated. Many saying, well, if you're not to give me a feature, I rather not know about it. Just don't say it, because I really, it just makes me mad. You say, oh, look at that next, release. We're going to have this and this and this new feature. And it's like, you go into your PC and you got none of them. You're lucky if you got it on day one, and you could have it only 6 months or 8 months later. A great example is my start menu, that when I rolled back out of the Insider program, I got back to the old start, and I don't know why. It had the new start. Why roll it back and not put it, the new start again? I don't know. So it is frustrating a lot of users. We know that there has been a talk about the fact that this maybe will be going away, hopefully. This also is interesting because a lot of users are saying that they get the latest updates as soon as they're available on, and they say nothing's changed. You still can wait 6 months, if not a year, for a new feature to actually find its way to your PC, even with this switch on. So definitely this is making a lot of users bonkers, and I'm one of them. You know what? Don't talk about new features if you don't want to roll them out to everybody. And honestly, everybody should have them at the same time, and that's it. I don't understand the control feature releases. Come on. Everybody gets it, and that's it. So, lots of frustrated users out there. Are you one of them? Just say yes or no in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.